We're working on our app, continuing onto a brief discussion, going over it. Don't really want to do this every time we have a video, but I'm working on a small app, and the point of it being to be able to write messages to the screen whenever we are streaming. So kind of like how text bubbles come in when you're chatting on a phone. Let me turn off notification on my phone. Excellent. So let's get going. This is a bit boring. This is coding for anyone interested, and the purpose of this is to not necessarily rehearse things before doing them, but to show you really that the reality of coding is the majority of your time is spent like reading and researching and failing, and coming up with solutions that don't work or sort of work, and you got to sort of like chip away at it, accept the solution you feel is half-baked, keep that, move on to another aspect, push that forward, and come back to what you thought was half-baked later with a better idea or an improvement, rework a previous idea you had that didn't work as you first would like. And that's pretty much what coding is all about. And I'm not following any like major standards. Well, I should say I'm trying my best to follow best practices, but sometimes these things are. This is not production ready code. It's mine, and if I was working at work for this, I'd more than likely would probably spend more time with every single aspect of it, and instead of shooting from the hip, everything would be broken down into small bits, and the work that we do at work is normally scheduled months in advance, so there's a lot more of a cadence to it, and when you get to things, you've already sort of ideated other aspects of the app that sort of dictate what you're going to be doing and sort of corral you into one or two solutions. And frankly, there's less freestyling, or I don't want to call it freestyling, but there's less randomness at work. Unless your work is sort of like working on a new project every week, which obviously brings in plenty of randomness. I've worked in certain environments like that. That makes you really good when you are able to work that way. There's pros and cons to working on a big product versus working on small little products and that you push out and sell, or your company provides for clients. In any case, let's get going. So what I'm working on now is the title bar. So you know how like when you're watching TV, right, and maybe you're watching an educational series, and every so often at the top the title comes up, right? The title of the video you're watching comes up, and you're sort of like given a small textual based like glimpse of what the video is, right? So that the broadcast doesn't have to constantly remind you via voice that what the show is about. The title comes up, or maybe a subsection of a caption in the center comes up on screen. That's what we're working on. That's what we've gone actually quite far. We have a lot of things working already, and right now I'm working on the title. So I want it to come up on screen. We've got captions or translations pretty much ready to be finalized. I didn't push further because I reached a good point, and I wanted to stop there, finalize other smaller aspects, and then maybe finalize that second to last. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be touching on everything, I think, tonight. It's early, so let's get it. Let's see. All right, so I was working on, the hell was I working on? Okay, yeah. The input field for the page, or the video rather. So we've got set title, which is video title, handle title, key press. Did we? All right, set new title. Okay, so yeah. All right. This just listens for enter key being pressed. I should comment. Honestly, I need to improve a lot of things. But this is my personal project, but I do need to improve a lot. That's why I'm sort of like taking on this coding and streaming and researching and doing a lot, because I've been too busy parenting and doing homeowner things. I'm really handy, so I do a lot of stuff around my house. I've sort of gotten by on coding, and it's my passion, so I need to find some time to continue doing what I'm doing right now, which is, improving myself and maybe sharing with you and having people that watch my stuff. No one's watching so far, but having people that watch my stuff make me better, through commentary or whatever. In any case, yeah, let's get going. So let's work on the set title function. I've got it here waiting, and it's really simple. Actually, we're gonna just take the video title and say something like we need to go store dot what are we calling it? I guess and that's simple, really. Yeah, that's simple. And that will set title, handle title key press, okay, let me avoid any issues here and do that. It's supposed to work, but for some freaking reason, I've seen some things where like it wouldn't work. In any case, we need to go to the store. Let's clean this up a bit real quick. Okay. Let's go full screen. That's definitely not it. Yeah, chatter store. Okay. Messages, captions, banner message. Whoa. What happened to my screen? Pardon me, I lost my bearing here. What's going on back there? Is that Luffy? I'm not sure who that is on my background. So actually we'll go to the top here, topmost store element, video title. Excellent. All right. Okay. Now so what's the video title? Well, let's make a default. Let's give this thing a default value. Test title. Yeah, whatever. Just a default value so we can work it real quick. We got to go to. This is a Vue app, by the way, for those that don't know. And this is actually a Vue 3 app, which is my first Vue 3 app. And I'm not really familiarizing myself with Vue 3. I'm really familiar with Vue, even a little bit less familiar with React. But in any case, I'm really a vanilla JavaScript expert and aficionado, not necessarily a framework aficionado, even though that's what the bread and butter is nowadays. That being said, these frameworks come and go. It takes a long time, but they eventually come and go. And what remains is JavaScript. But you gotta get with the times, and familiarize yourself with some certain things and whatnot. So Electron. Actually, no, the store, the router. Yeah. So we need another here. We need what? We got home view, chat view. Again with the same problem. Okay. Sorry, I keep pressing the wrong key. It's home view, and this is title view. Did I? Did I create that already? Banner view, captions view, chat view, home view, title view. Awesome, cool. I did. And right here. Excellent. We have everything we need now to create an additional view. And if we go to it now, we get nothing because we have not set up. But I mean, we got something, but we didn't get what we expected. So let's go to title view and make use of it's video title, no? I believe it is, right? Yeah, video title. Okay, video title. And we'll leave everything the same. We'll leave everything in here. I already have a pre-existing. I have the banner, and we have here the I'm not sure why this is purple. And why isn't this responsive? I guess I got a minimum width or something. Why is this purple? Interesting. Okay. Okay. It's supposed to be animated though. Did I goof something up? No, definitely not banner view. It's banner. And let's go into here and just check something out real quick. Okay, why the hell is this not happening over there? Oh, this is way different. I must have copied something else. I don't think I want that kind of animation though on this in the title view. Definitely want a different type of animation. Everything here works. We do need to switch up the CSS though for this thing. We'll leave wrapper alone. But definitely the message I'm gonna take this off. Wait a minute. Title view. Okay, yeah, whatever. Fancy input. What the heck? I don't know what we'll go, man. I don't know what we'll go with. Does it come down from the top? Does it come in from the side? I'm thinking it comes down from the top. Is this good enough? I don't freaking know. Honestly, it doesn't look like it's this color here, though. Does that look like this color? 9734D. Wow. It is the same color. My eyes are being tricked here, though. Hmm. Honestly, I'm having a hard time. I don't know if this is the right. Should there be a drop shadow? Well, if I know. All right, let's animate it then. So the idea being every 4 minutes, this title or something like that should come into the screen. So do I here's the question, like, do we want to use pure CSS to animate this thing on a loop every let's do some research. So animation lasts minutes. Should I use CSS or JS? Let's just see. Oh man. Yes. But that's not really what I'm looking for. Man, let's just do something and then I hate doing that, but because I feel like, look, we have to wait like 3 minutes in between animating this thing, rendering it, coming in on screen. Let's start a timer. unmounted. Start timer. Okay, we're gonna start a timer, and the timer goes. Wait a minute. I don't want to just undo what I just. We want to keep that, but. Problem is, sometimes we want to trigger this thing to be immediate. The moment I change the title, it should, boom, start up. We're gonna declare a variable called and what we're gonna do here is now say timer equals set. Oh, you gotta set timeout or set time interval. Set timeout. Wait, 30. Let's see. How can we make this work real quick? So what we want to do is animate the title to show up every 3 minutes or so, or we'll change that, but every 3 minutes, and then it should remain for say 30 seconds. So really what we need is a timer that triggers, that sets the value to true for 30 seconds, and then 30 seconds later undoes that. I kind of like the interval thing because it's ongoing and immediate and like but interval show set interval. I don't know. That's 30 seconds. Let's write some pseudocode. So this will wait 30 seconds and then add the class. Okay. This will wait 30 seconds and add the class. Show title equals true. It's just thinking out loud here. I don't know where I'm going with this. Let's see. Show title equals true, and then show title equals false. After 30 seconds, it'll set it to, and then we'll trigger say something like set timeout. Actually, and then we'll timer is equal interval. We'll call this interval. Timeout. All right, cool. So 1,000 milliseconds in a second. 3 minutes is what? 120, 180. $180,000 milliseconds. That's 3 minutes. All right, so here's what we're doing here, but we need to, first things first, so clearing the I'm clearing the timeout, clearing the interval. I wonder. Forgot how to do this. Set them both to the same thing. Oh, interesting. All right, so I think now we're in a good place here. Let's go through this real quick. Start timer starts up. If the interval's already running, we cancel it. If the timeout's already running, we also cancel that, and we set it to set them both to null for good measure. We set show title to true. Immediately, the title should come in. Boom. A countdown starts. When that countdown reaches 30 seconds, the title is hidden. Another countdown starts. When that reaches 3 minutes, start timer is called again. There is a value in interval. It is cleared. There is a value in timeout. It is cleared. We are Gucci, and we're back in the same loop. The title is shown. We wait 30 seconds and hide it. Excellent. This is exactly what we want. So now we need to, this show title thingamajig here, we need to make it a ref, I believe. I could be wrong. Yeah, ref. We use ref. What the? What doesn't it? Yeah. All right. And it defaults to what? What does it default to? True? It should default to false. All right. So it defaults to false. And now, we should have in here a class. All right, now this class. Wow, what song is this? Oh, that's dope. Wow. Man, it's a nice sound. And so now this show class is toggling on and off. And our message should be hidden by default. We need to say something like transform. What are we going with? Translate, right? It's translate X or Y. Translate Y. Negative. How tall is this thing? $94. So something like, fuck it, we'll do like what? Like negative 130. How tall is this? Negative 150. Negative 160. So just hanging. And we'll do transition ease, transition all, ease in and out. And it should take, let's do 350 milliseconds. I'm gonna save this, and it's gone. It was instant. What in the world just happened here? Show title is not defined. Roger. Okay. I'm not sure what you mean, buddy. Are you sure? Okay. I wonder, title view 134. Oh shoot. Okay, yep. My fault. It's dot value here. If you want to that's fine. That's right. And then this needs to switch. Yeah. I hope that's it. To be honest with you, I don't know if that's it. Yeah, it is. All right, so now we are hidden now. But this is OD. We don't need to do 160. We need to just do like 120 or something like that. There. Okay, well, we're close. So, whoops. A little further now. So, damn. That's good. That's close enough, right? That border there is so that for my use off screen, you don't see that. I realize now that I should have maybe demoed this thing, but that's time consuming. Demoing this thing is time consuming, and I don't want to do it right now. We'll demo it soon, but when it's necessary. It's gonna be necessary soon enough. So now we've got the title hiding off screen, and technically it should default. Okay, well, we haven't created the show class, so now we'll tell this thing what to do when the classes show transform none. So let's see. Shucks, it didn't animate in. Maybe we'll need to not do transform none, but rather let's see what that does. Damn, bro. We wait 30 seconds. It should go up on its own. Awesome. And technically, if we wait 3 minutes, it should also, slide right in. One thing that's concerning yeah, it's not concerning. Whatever. When I first said it, it's gonna probably render immediately in. Let's change these values real quick so we can test it. Let's change this to 4 5 seconds and change this to 10 seconds. All right. So now, after 5 seconds, it should hide. 10 seconds later, it should come back. Excellent. That's exactly what I want. There you have it. A rotating title that comes in every 3 minutes and stays for 30 seconds. I like that. I don't know if the timing is right. Should it be every minute and stay for like 15 seconds? I don't know. Nah, every minute is too. That's wild. We'll do every 2 minutes. It'll stay for 15 seconds every 2 minutes. Cool. All right. So now what we need to do is, I think we need like a watcher to watch for the title changing, because if the title changes immediately, we need to run start timer. If the title changes. Let me see how I created a watcher before for a store object. I believe we were in the caption view. Okay. All right, yeah, this will work. All right, store, and what we're watching is store that video title. All right. All right, we're just console logging title changed. When the store that title changes. The hell are you? What? What? Watch is not defined. Oh, whoops. All right, hold on. I'm drawing a blank here. Yeah, watch from view. What the hell? What's happening? Bastard. Really? So it doesn't like me watching for the string. It wants me watching for what? What the hell? Test for title. I guess I'm not really implementing a watcher. The new Viewtify wants me to implement. The new view rather wants me to implement it. Hey, what the hell? Bruh, come on. Yeah, no dice. They don't mention here in store. All right, whatever. I guess I'll use The This thing still complaining about this. Come on, man. The hell, man? Come on, man. Well, it's a ref, man. Not sure what's going on here. I changed it to a ref. It's not happy with me. Man, I hate this. Waste of time. I got half a mind to make it an array of one value just because. Oh, man. Son of a gun. I'm drawing a blank here because I mean it's literally telling me that I could use a ref, and it's not happy with it. I don't know. Is it maybe because I have to say dot value? Bruh, come on, man. What the hell? There was actually something somebody did. I remember where they were watching. Yeah, store to refs, something like that. Let's see. Captions. And it's still, son, are you bugging? Oh, okay. Finally, but does it work? That's the question now. All right. So now we got to go to home view, set title. It ain't working. It ain't working. Just to make sure I'm not going crazy here. All right. Excellent. All right. Let's see if we can do something like maybe this helps maybe. Lord knows. Let's go over to the title view. Son of a gun, man. Ah. Yeah. It ain't working. Lord knows why. Lord knows why it's not working. Super annoying. I've done everything. Could it be because I didn't go into... Could it be because it hasn't been mounted yet? It might be. It might be because it's not mounted yet that this isn't working. We're gonna have to run it. Let's run the app locally now, or let's run Electron real quick. So as you can see, part of the app already showed up. And I'm off screen here testing things. Oh, actually, we never set up the Electron view for the banner, for the title. We need to come in here and say something like, what's it called? Title? Whoa. Title window. All right. All right. Just creating another banner window. Okay. All right. All right, we're Gucci. That should create the title window. Let's just make sure that our store... No, I'm sorry, our router. Banner or title. Wait, where's title? Matter of fact, I don't even like that there. Let's go here and bring this here. Yeah. All right, excellent. Let's rerun Electron. All right. Hey guys, here's the title, guys. There it is. If you're looking on screen, whoa, that's the title. It's hidden off screen now. So let's let me go into OBS. I got another monitor here. Let me just go into OBS and position the banner or the title where we want, right? So bear with me. It's coming up on screen shortly. And I'm not sure why. Oh, it's probably. I'm dragging it on screen right now. Actually, it should come up in the next. What the hell did I just do? There it is, guys. How you like me now? And it went away. Wait, did it go away? Oh, it's still visible. Shouldn't it be 15 seconds? It should be gone by now. Oh, this. All right. I got to make a new one. Because unfortunately, sorry guys, this thing messed me up. Let's send over a banner message. There's our banner message. Little banner. Pop up on screen. Attract your attention. But we're obviously creating a title now. So let's do that. I'm not sure what's going on. Bear with me here. All right. We're gonna leave that right now. I know it don't look great. But we're gonna leave it. What the hell just happened? All right. It should come in on screen, every so often. There it is. It's on screen right now. All right. How are we looking? I mean, what? Son. Why did it modify the... What's going on here? Man, dude. This is a waste of my time. What the hell? Oh, man. Whenever I... All right. My apologies. This thing has taken a lot of my time. I've been setting up the banner, the title. They kind of was having an issue where they were linked with each other and not really not really obeying me. Gotta make the red line disappear. And it should be gone. What the? There's our title coming in. There's our title. And should be leaving soon. Feels like it's here for longer than 15 seconds. Wow, that's longer than 15 seconds. What the hell? Is my math wrong? Interval? It seems I goofed up my math or something, boys. That's the demo of the app. That's what the app does. Render captions and titles and subtitles and things like that. And wow, that took a long time. I think there's something wrong with my math here. I think maybe we shouldn't be an interval since we're calling start timer again. It should be a timeout. So now 15,000 milliseconds, which is 15 seconds. It should start a timer. Well, it should be set to true immediately when for the first renders, okay? And then 15 seconds later, it should be set to false. And then 2 minutes later, start timer should be called again, at which point we reset everything. We reset everything. And again, start it up. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's working as expected. We need to change the music real quick. Let's get some jazz going. Can I type in here? What the hell? I guess not. All right. We're going to wrap up soon. But we were trying to make it so that, we were testing to see if it was because our title, let's see. Oh boy, I messed up. All right, so let's go to video title and just shouldn't even console log anything. We should just go start timer. Yeah, let's just let's see. Damn, son, you're kidding me. Are you bugging? I'm setting it, but nothing. Set title, store that video title. Input text.value. And we push an input text. Damn. How about the banner? Banner counter input text. Banner message. It just says what? That's exactly what I'm doing. Maybe that's why. Nothing. We can actually test with a new tab. So okay, so that works. Why in the world won't it work? Maybe I need to rerun Electron. All right, so it did work. I just noticed that it worked off screen, but for some reason our watcher's not working, unfortunately. We'll need to rerun this again. All right, so title's up on screen. There it is, fellas. We're up and running. We are live, baby. Yes, sir. All right, so now if it ever leaves, right, and I type a new title, it comes right back, right? When I retype it, it resets, reanimates, comes back, and starts over again, and does its thing. You know, every 2 minutes, it'll be cycling. Awesome. And not sure if anyone's watching. I don't think so. I don't have any. This is pretty boring. I don't think anyone's watching. Let's see. So hopefully we haven't gotten a copyright strike off some BS, because this music is all authorized. But man, I'm happy. That was quick. Now we can move back into the Now that that's complete, we can just move right back to the captions, which is the heavy hitter of this app. All right, so let me see something real quick. Let's see if we're... Hey there, Whisper. How are you doing? Are you listening? Let me know. Oh, I'm glad you're here with me today. I know you hallucinate sometimes, but I know you're listening as well, so it's a good thing to have you here with us. Thank you for being with us. You missed the part where I said I was glad. I was glad to be with you here. Thank you. So guys, we're going to make the captions tonight. Captions are going to be working up and running tonight. Not sure what that's all about. I'll need to look into that. Okay. So, as you saw, captions are being translated. My speech is being recognized. Now, what's going on? If anybody's watching at home, what's going on is I've got Whisper running, and Whisper's an AI sort of like model made by the same people that make ChatGPT. They're called OpenAI. They make this thing called Whisper. It's open source. I'm running it locally on the machine. It's listening to my microphone. And it is translating the things I'm saying. So now, I'm going to hide this text because it's just there for testing. Right? So what you're looking at is my control screen. That's not part of the view that people see, but it is where I manipulate all aspects of the app. So this is where I can set a new title. This is where I can toggle between banners and messages. So now, I haven't shown you captions yet, but we're gonna get them working together. Let's stop this. Let's disconnect. Let's confirm we've disconnected. We are disconnected. Let's connect using our Electron app. Right. So let's close this real quick. Let's close that. Bring this into view here. All right. So we got the What the hell did I just do? Okay. Pardon me, please. All right. Where were we, man? Before we got so rudely interrupted. All right. We got the electron up and running. We're going to bring it into view. Right. We should get a connection here. We connect. Let's see. Here we are. Now, electrons ready, or Whisper's ready to start listening to us and translating everything I'm saying. So we're not going to start that yet. We'll come back real quick. I'm going to go into OBS. OBS is a streaming software that I use, right? You can familiarize yourself with it. I'm going to create a new view, a new screen capture. And it should be somewhere on screen here. There it is on screen. No idea why it's so small. Wonder if that's my mistake. $780 by $630. Let's confirm we need to go to main in the electron. Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, that looks right. Okay. So that looks right. I mean, I think it's a little on the small side. I think I might have made a mistake. It should be the size of the banner. 1300. I forgot to fix that, but that's okay. We can let's close the Electron app and restart it. Come back to there we go. That's more like it. Now we got captions. They're gonna start coming in on screen. We're gonna leave them right where they're at right now, and you'll be able to see them shortly when I activate Whisper off screen here. Whisper's disconnected, as you can see. Let me get my control center here. Okay, got my control app. I'm going to connect. Whisper recognizes our connection. And we're going to start. Hello, everyone. Thank you for being with me tonight. I'm glad to be your host. Again, thank you. Not sure what happened, fellas. We did not get I'm not seeing any banners. Let's try any captions. Not sure why not. Maybe we broke something right before we. Let's go to captions view. What's going on here? All right, we'll have to disconnect our. We'll have to disconnect our Electron app. And connect this one here. And let's switch over here. Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. I appreciate everything. We're getting the captions, but for some reason we're getting the translations, but for some reason they're not rendering. I don't know if I've done something wrong. We'll have to go to caption control, take a look. Not caption control. We need to go to a captions view here. And so like I was saying, we're not seeing the captions for some reason here. Serves me right. Well, guys, I think I'm going to call it here. Not really sure why my captions aren't rendering on screen, but as you can see, they were rendering in the browser. We'll finalize on this next time. Thank you for watching, anyone that catches this, and rest easy.